Did you know that in the 1970s, a mysterious black Challenger would appear out of nowhere, win every street race in Detroit, and then vanish into the night for months? No one knew who the driver was. No one could catch him, not even the police. They called him the Black Ghost. Today, we uncover the double life of a legend that haunted the streets of Motor City. Welcome to CarTalesHQ. The Black Ghost wasn't just a car. It was a 1970 Dodge Challenger RT with a massive 426 Hemi engine, a true beast of the shadows. It would show up at the famous Woodward Avenue, destroy the fastest cars in the city, and disappear before the tires even stopped smoking. The streets were filled with rumors. Was it a professional racer? A criminal or something supernatural? For decades, the driver's identity remained a total secret until the truth finally came to light. The legendary street racer was actually Godfrey Qualls, a decorated Detroit police officer and a paratrooper. By day, he enforced the law. By night, he was the outlaw king of Detroit's streets. He kept his car hidden, never telling even his closest friends. He wasn't racing for money or fame, he was racing for the thrill of the machine. The Black Ghost was his private sanctuary. In 2020, this legendary car was added to the National Historic Vehicle Register, cementing its place in American history forever. Godfrey Qualls passed away in 2015, but his legend lives on every time a Hemi engine roars in the dark. Would you keep a secret like this for 40 years? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to CarTalesHQ for more legends.